Hi and welcome to Nickwell Motorhomes. I'm Andy, and for anybody who doesn't know, I'm extremely pleased to be able to tell you that we are now stockists for Giottiline Motorhomes. Now, this particular version here is the CX66. It's a coach build. Most coach builds are 2.35 metres wide, and most van conversions are 2.05 metres wide, and you tend to get that choice between the two, depending on how much space you need. Well, this is the compact CX66, which means it's 2.15 metres wide, so it's not much wider than a van conversion. How much space does that give us on the living area? Well, we'll see. What else can I tell you about it? Well, to start off with, this is the Premiere, so again, it's all singing and all dancing for Giottiline. It's 6.6 metres in length. As I said, it's 2.15 metres wide. It's got 4 travel seats and it's got 3 berths, so it's a great compact small family motorhome. Let's have a look around it. So again, it's on the new Fiat chassis, alloy wheels. It's the 140 auto as well. And I know what you're thinking, well, what's that going to cost? Well, I'm not telling you on the video. That's what our website's for, and you will be pleasantly surprised. I guarantee it. Cassette toilet here. That's your water fill just there. Electric hookup. Flue for your heating is just there, and your garage is just here. And again, a good sized garage that it is. You've got access both sides. You've got 2 ladders there. I'll explain more to that when we go inside. Big locker just here, which goes through into the main habitation area. Just in there, you've got your boiler drain. Now, you can also see in there, you've actually got a 230 volt socket as well. So again, it's a good size. You've got anchor points down there. If you've got electric bikes, that sort of thing, no problem at all. Again, we've got access both sides, so it doesn't matter where you're parked up. And just in here, we've got your gas locker. And again, it's a good size. And of course, we've got more storage just up above. So awning, electric step. Let's have a look inside. Now, usually we start at the front and then we go to the back, but we're going to change things up this time. So to start off with, we've got 2 single beds over the top of the large garage. You've got good storage either side. And what's nice is you've got this little bit of a shelf here, because your reading lights, as you see here, you've got your USBs in, so you can pop your phones up there to charge overnight, which is nice. You've got 2 windows either side, and up here you've got 2 30 volt, 12 volt aerial points as well. You don't have aerials, but you do have all the connections there ready to put one up. Skylight above, so again, we've got a lot of light in here. It's nice and spacious. Storage underneath. I mean, again, the beauty of something like this is for a compact, there is huge amounts of storage. And another one on that side. Now, also, leisure battery just in here. More storage just in there. Now, you can easily sleep 2 adults here. If you want to use it as a transverse, or if you've got a grandchild or something who wants to come with you, you want to make this bed up bigger, well, you can. Hence the reason why I left this out. So what you do, that slides onto there. Cushion goes in. Now, as we've already seen, there were 2 ladders in the garage, one of them being for this. Now, as you can see, you can sleep 3 on here if you wanted to. It's technically a 3 berth, but realistically, you can quite easily sleep a 3rd person in the back. You're thinking, where's the other bed? Well, we'll get to that. Then you have this large compressor fridge just here. And again, you've got your freezer box at the top. Good kitchen storage. You've got your 2 gas hobs. And of course, you've got your sink just there. Again, storage is huge. So, big storage area just there. You got all your pots and pans in there. Good sized drawer underneath. And then of course we have 3 drawers here. You've got your cutlery drawer, just there. More there, and as you can see, they're soft close as well. It's a little touch, but again, you haven't seen the price yet. Go to our website and look at the price, because you'll be amazed at what you get for your money. Bathroom, now it's 6.6 meters, so you'd expect that to be a little bit tight. Well, not really. So what you've got is, in the bathroom itself, got a storage cupboard just here, skylight above, towel rail, the cassette spins in all places, got a duct board underneath, and of course we've got a wash basin just here. So you're probably thinking, well, where's the shower? Well, if we pull this, gives us a separate shower over this side. So again, they're maximising the space in what is quite compact dimensions on a coach build. And of course, that just slides around when you're having a shower. So then we come to the extra berth, where we have this drop down above, and you can see it's got 200 kilograms max weight, so it's a good size. Press the button and it just pops down. And as you can see, it's a really good size single there. Now you've got the locking points in the roof either side as well, and the mesh underneath. So again, if you've got a youngster in there, you can lock it up to stop them rolling out in the middle of the night. When you're done, press the button and up she pops. Now, while we were talking with the kitchen, you've got an extender just here on the end for more work surface space, but also the table has the catch there, so that will fold around. So again, from a work surface perspective, you've got loads. And again, it makes it nice and easy for dining. You can dine 4 people quite comfortably. The upholstery is really, really nice, and it's nice and light. And again, the whole van is nice and light. It gives you a feeling of space. It's so open. Also down here, you can see that these 2 seats are Isofix, which again, you don't get in a lot of vans. So that's really nice. And again, we've got more storage up above the cab, and of course this nice skylight above. The seats are very comfortable. They both spin round. Got your media center there, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got your reverse camera. Like I said, this is the 140 Auto. You've got Traction Plus, you've got hill descent, you've got steering wheel controls over here, you've got cruise control, you've got electric mirrors, you've got electric windows, all the things you're going to expect in a van, £20,000 more than this one. And yeah, it doesn't let you down. You've even got cab blinds, so you've got side blinds, main windscreen blind there as well. Seriously, if you're thinking about buying a compact coach build, go and look at the price on this. I mean, this is the top of the range, and you'll be stunned at the pricing. That's across the Giottiline range, in all fairness, and we couldn't be more pleased to now be stockists for them, because we think they're going to do exceptionally well. And there we have the CX66. Really hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you are wondering where our website is to find out all this extra information, just go on to nickwhale.com. You'll go on there. Hopefully we've still got one in stock, because I don't think they're going to last very long. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you again soon.